Since 2013, we've helped over 1 million people relax, reset, and recharge, all from the comfort of their own private float suite. It started with the original float pod, clean, safe, reliable, made for total peace and comfort. Now, we've made it even smarter. Introducing FloatOS, our hands-free system that runs your float spa with ease. With the hub, switch, and smart sensors, everything is automated. From the float pod to the float pool, your float experience stays calm and effortless. No need to guess or stress. FloatOS takes care of it all. Watch how simple it is. Open your app, control your pod, the water warms, the lights dim, you're ready to float, all hands-free. Every float begins with comfort. Touch the water, adjust your space, then, let go, and let the pod do the rest. From the beginning to now, we've grown with the float industry. Smarter tools, a better experience. This is FloatPod Pro, powered by FloatOS.